If you are in need of a professional land surveyor in the Mehrauli area of Delhi, look no further. A land surveyor plays a crucial role in various real estate and construction projects by accurately measuring and mapping the land. Whether you are planning to build a new structure, renovate an existing one, or simply need to establish property boundaries, a land surveyor can provide you with the necessary information and documentation. In Mehrauli, there are several experienced and reputable land surveyors who can assist you in your project. In conclusion, if you are in need of a land surveyor in Mehrauli for your real estate or construction project, it is important to choose a qualified professional who is experienced, knowledgeable, and equipped with the necessary tools and technology. Land surveyors play a crucial role in accurately measuring and mapping the land, establishing property boundaries, creating topographic maps, and providing construction staking services. By hiring a reputable land surveyor, you can ensure that your project is carried out efficiently and accurately, avoiding any legal disputes or construction errors. When it comes to land surveying services in Mehrauli, Delhi, it is important to hire a professional and experienced land surveyor. They use advanced surveying equipment and techniques to conduct precise measurements and gather data about the terrain, boundaries, and features of the property. By using the data collected through surveys, land surveyors can provide valuable information that helps in the efficient planning and development of projects. Whether it's determining property boundaries or designing SCONs, a land surveyor plays a crucial role in ensuring that projects are executed smoothly and in compliance with legal requirements. When it comes to land surveying in Mehrauli, it is important to hire a professional land surveyor who is knowledgeable and experienced in this field. Land surveying is a crucial step in any construction project, as it provides accurate measurements and data about the land on which the project will be built. By hiring a land surveyor in Mehrauli for SCON design in Delhi, you can ensure that the lighting fixtures are placed strategically to provide maximum illumination and visual appeal. This ensures that the SCON design is not only functional but also visually appealing. In conclusion, hiring a professional land surveyor in Mehrauli is essential for any construction project. Whether you need accurate measurements for land mapping or expert advice on SCON design in Delhi, a land surveyor can provide you with valuable insights and data. They will ensure that your project complies with local laws and regulations while also maximizing its functionality and aesthetic appeal. So, if you are planning a construction project or need assistance with SCON design in Delhi, consider hiring a reputable land surveyor in Mehrauli.